Now, let's go ahead and now we will be studying the next chapter. The next chapter is called as Bank Reconciliation Statement. Okay, you guys have done this chapter before? Yes, no? Yes. Okay, but for some time, please try to think that you have not done it and try to understand how I am teaching you. Okay? Now, okay, in the books of business, how do you maintain a bank account? Can I say you open a bank ledger? Correct? Correct? No? This is now bank will always have debit balance, always have credit, may have debit or credit. Everybody? Others still taking break? May have debit or credit. Now, if they have debit balance, can I say it will come here? If they have credit balance, then it will come here. Correct? And the opposite balance carried down will happen. Now, if this is a balance carried down, then is this a debit balance or a credit balance? Is this a debit balance or a credit balance? Debit balance? Okay. Now, this side you will record receipts and this side you will record payments, correct? Now, when I taught you subsidiary books, can I say I have already taught you what is a check, when is a check issued, when it is check deposited, a check issued, deposited, what to do, check deposited, dishonored, what to do, everything. Can I say we have studied all of this already? Okay. Now, this bank account you will maintain when you're maintaining normal journal book. Okay? What if you maintain subsidiary books? In which book will the bank account come? Okay, 1 minute. Do you understand that subsidiary books is breaking the journal into 8 parts and one part will be each book, correct? Ha. In subsidiary books, can I say in cash book it will be bank account? So triple column cash book, you have discount, cash and bank. Discount, cash and bank, correct? Now, if you're talking about bank account, which column of cash book are we talking about? If we are talking about bank column, which column do I represent in bank? Can I say this column, bank column? So now here in this chapter, you have to be very clear in your mind that we are only and only talking about cash, bank column of cash book. Am I clear? You have to be very clear that we are only and only talking about bank column of cash book. So if I say cash book in this chapter, it means I represent bank column of cash book. Am I clear till here? Okay, super. Now, so business has a bank account. Now, can I say in the books of bank, they will maintain a customer account? Abhi dekho, for me, if I have a debit balance, means I have to receive from bank. Then for bank, it will be receivable or payable? Payable. So for bank, balance brought down will be on the credit side, correct? And here, balance carried down will be on the debit side. Now this balance is a debit balance, credit balance? Credit balance means payable. Okay, now. So, now, think and tell me if this, in the books of business, if it is a debit balance, receivable from bank or payable to bank? Then this balance is called as favorable balance. Am I clear? In the books of bank, if the customer account has a credit balance, receivable or payable? Payable. Then here receivable was favorable. Here payable is favorable. Am I clear? Because normally my money is with the bank. Okay, so it is receivable for me, favorable, payable for them, favorable. Am I clear? If the business has bank account, closing balance this side, means overdraft, then this is unfavorable balance. So this will be credit balance, correct? And if the balance is this side, then this balance is called as debit balance. And this balance will be unfavorable. Do you have any doubt? Pakka? Okay. Yes, definitely. I'll explain once again. Sorry? I'll explain once again, no problem. Listen to me. In the books of business, bank account normally should have debit balance. Debit balance means receivable from the bank. Then that balance is called as favorable balance. If I have to pay to bank, then it is called as unfavorable balance. Okay? Yeah, this bank overdraft is an unfavorable balance. Receivable from bank is a favorable balance. Okay? If I have to receive from bank, then bank has to pay me. Then this balance of debit balance in the bank books is called as favorable balance. If I have to pay bank has to receive from me, then this is a unfavorable balance. Okay? Now, in the books of the business, we maintain something called as cash book, where we record all the bank transactions. Correct? And in the bank, they give something called as passbook that will record all the transactions. ठीक है? अच्छा, एक डाउट पूछता है. Here, the balance carried down is 10,000. Okay? And here, the balance carried down is 12,000. Okay? अच्छा, एक second. Now, this cash book is in whose books? And customer account is in whose books? Bank. Okay? Now, acha, did you find rectification very easy or very difficult? That was only because you concentrated and you paid attention and you participated when I was doing basics. Okay, so here also I have spent more than enough time to make sure that your rectification and BRS becomes really very easy. So you have to participate, okay? Otherwise it will be very difficult. You will not be able to understand. Okay? Now, so this is in the books of business and this is in the books of bank. Now, let's say the balance carried down here is 10,000 and the balance carried down here is 12,000. Now, are they matching? No. Now, there is some differences that is happening. Okay. Now, what are the differences? We will study. But before that, I have a very basic doubt. Doubt number 1. When you are preparing your final accounts, that is trading P&L balance sheet, you must have done in your PUC, correct? In that, when you show bank, where will you show bank? Hey. In your final accounts. Asset side of balance sheet? Okay. Now think and tell me, when you show bank as in asset side of balance sheet, how much will you show? 10,000 or 12,000? Okay. Why? No, will not match. Chalo, wrong. Okay. Okay, why? Okay, why? Why Lokesh? Why 12,000? Okay, so this we have already earned it. That is why. Okay. Others? No, no. See, this balance is favorable. And here also favorable. If it is on the opposite side, then it will be unfavorable. Okay, recorded as 12,000. Got it. And others? Okay, so we will prepare accounts from the business point of view. That is why you should record it 10,000. Others? Anybody else? Nobody? Okay, why? Okay. So hummi galat. Every time I am only wrong, others are always correct. Fair enough. Yogesh was saying something. Yogesh only, right? Okay, why 10,000? It's okay, you can talk in Hindi. I know Hindi. I know all languages. Tell. क्योंकि we write bank balance. हाँ. Okay. Okay. Got it. Others? That's it? Okay. Now, okay. Now, the correct answer is the balance as per cash book will be shown in the balance sheet. Why? Very, very logical reason. How I explained you in bills of exchange. Aur kashta aur notkali. So means whatever bank records, it's bank problem. Whatever I have recorded in my books, that will only come. No. See, if you record 12,000, your balance sheet won't tally. Your balance sheet will not tally. So you have to record as per business. What I have recorded, I should only record that much. I can't record what others are recording. Am I clear? Okay, very good. Now, any doubt, anybody? No. Okay. This was a very stupid question. I think they had asked for 1 mark or 2 marks. Which balance will appear as balance in your asset side of balance sheet? And most of the students wrote balance as per passbook because they think, ma'am, we are always wrong. ऐसे नहीं होता. It is that what I have recorded in my books, that will only appear. No, how can I record what others are recording? So that is the problem. ठीक है? Any doubt? Now, let's go ahead. Okay. So these two are not matching. Now, not matching, there can be 3 reasons. Okay. Now, there can be some transactions which the passbook has recorded and the cash book has not recorded. Once more, there can be some transactions which the passbook has recorded and the cash book has not recorded. That is why there is a difference. Okay, ma'am, can you give me some example? Example 1, bank has charged you bank interest or bank charges. Bank has charged you bank charges. So can I say bank record, you forgot to record? So that is one example. Bank paid your LIC on your behalf and you didn't record it. So this is one reason. Some party, one of your customer directly paid money into your bank account. Okay, so bank recorded, you didn't record. So these are transactions things which bank will record and cash book will not record, or cash book will record and passbook will not record. Now here you have to try to understand. I'm telling you the reason why they will not match. Okay, if the transaction has been recorded in both the books, will there be a balance difference? If the transaction has been recorded in both the books, will there be a balance difference? No, it will not be there. Here we are only talking about those transactions which one has recorded and other has not recorded. Are you understanding till here? So the first problem is the transactions. Okay? Now second, sometimes, now I told you, if you remember, in case of a check, my debtor gave me a check. I went and deposited into my bank. My bank went to debtor's bank and collected the money and put the money into my bank. Correct? This is the process. Now, can I say this entire process will get over within 1 day, or it will take 2 to 3 days? Yes, for a check to get cleared, or it will take generally 2 to 3 working days. Am I clear? So sometimes what may have happened, you would have deposited the check into your account, but the money into your account will reflect in the next period. So can I say the timing difference will be there? So that is the second reason. Okay? The third reason. Yeah, once more. My debtors will give me a check. This check I will go and deposit with my banker. My banker will go to the debtor's banker to collect the money. That debtor's banker will give, and my bank will deposit the money into my account. So when I deposit a check, I record and my cash book increased. Can I say passbook took some time to increase? So let's say this happened in the next year. Okay, so there is a difference. Now that difference is not because of a transaction, that difference is because of a timing. I recorded early, bank recorded a little later. Clear, everybody? So those are called as timing difference. Okay, and last one is error. Error made either by cash book or by passbook. Bank put money into my account by mistake. Will I also record in my cash book? No, because this is an error. Bank will reverse it later. I, by mistake, instead of debiting the cash book, I credited the cash book. Can I say wrong? Now, bank will do the correct thing. Can I say I did wrong? So the balance will not match. Okay? So these are the three reasons that you need to, these are the three reasons why the balance as per cash book and passbook may not match. Am I clear till here? Now, let me take one example. See, on 31st March 2016, what is 31st March? Year end, financial year end. Yeah, year ending, okay. Cash book and passbook was there. They had a balance of 10,000 and 12,000. Can I say they are not matching? Now. See, some chapters of your foundation may not have actual practical utilization, okay? In practice or in real life, it may not have practical utilization. But rectification and BRS have practical utilization. Matlab when you will go for your articleship and when you become a chartered accountant and when you will do audits, no, you will need these chapters, to pass necessary journal entries. Am I clear? Now see what will happen, what will happen. See, cash book, no. Cash book, can I say, it is in the hand of business. So they can do whatever entries they want. Let's say they showed so much balance in cash book. Is there anybody to stop? It is in the hands of business. They can pass any entry. They showed it receivable and next year they will reverse it. Now, ma'am, why will they do this? Why will they inflate the cash balance? So that when an investor sees my balance sheet and in bank account he sees that I have 10 lakh rupees, then he will trust my company and he'll give me more money. Okay, a supplier will want to sell goods to me because I have enough money in my bank. Okay, but can I say this is fraud? This is wrong? So that is why you have rectification of errors. Sorry, that is why you have bank reconciliation statement. You reconcile the balance as per cash book and passbook at the year end. And you see why they are not matching. You prepare a list of items, okay, called as bank reconciliation statement, and you write why they are not matching. Okay, if there are some errors, then you rectify. If there are some timing difference, then you check in the next accounting year, has those entries come or not. So as the auditor, you will be the watchdog. You will make sure that nobody is getting, having a fraudulent thing. Clear, everybody? Why? What exactly is the purpose? Now, may not be exactly from a fraudulent purpose. By mistake also cash book has done it. So don't you think as chartered accountants you should help them or make them do it correct? So this is what you will do in preparation of BRS. Now, how do you prepare BRS? कैसे करता है? You will take bank statement as per cash book. You will take bank statement as per passbook. You will compare each and every line item and you will see whether what is come here has come here or not. If what is come here has not come here, then can I say this is an item of BRS? If what is come here and not come here, then it is an item because of which the balance will not tally. For those items you prepare bank reconciliation statement. Am I clear? Now, think and tell. That was my next question. Yes, I'm coming to that. Now, think and tell me, bank reconciliation statement is a journal or a ledger? Very good. Bank reconciliation is a statement. Okay, next question. When should you prepare bank reconciliation statement? Monthly, quarterly, yearly? Only when there is monthly. Quarterly? Okay. Monthly, quarterly. Okay. There is absolutely no restriction. You can prepare whenever you want. If a small trader has only some 15 to 20 transactions, then he would prefer to make it at the year end because hardly any transactions. But companies like Reliance, who has transactions like n number of transactions daily, they would prefer to make it weekly so that the bank and cash tallies. You understand? So there is no fixed timing who should make the bank reconciliation when. Okay? Okay. That brings me to my next question. When should you prepare BRS? After finishing journal, after finishing ledger, after trial balance, or after final accounts? After trial balance. Okay. After final accounts. After preparing ledger. There is no rule. Basically, there's no rule. You can prepare it whenever you want. After ledger or after final accounts or after trial balance, whenever you want, you can prepare. Absolutely no rule. Okay, last question. Where does BRS come? Matlab, like there is a format, no? Journal, ledger, trial balance, final accounts. So where does BRS comes? How is it a part of books of accounts? In what? Very good. So it is an absolute different statement. It is a separate thing which is prepared as a working note. Okay, at the year end. Am I clear till here? If the balance as per cash book and passbook is matching, do you still need to prepare BRS? No, we don't need to make BRS. Very good. Chalo. So I told you that there are 3 reasons why cash book and passbook will not match. One is Transactions. Transactions means one would have recorded, other would have not recorded. Second one is timing. Timing means one would have recorded early, other would record late. And last one is error. Error made either by cash book or passbook. Okay. Now, that brings me to my next thing. Okay, just a moment. No, nothing writing. I'll make you write exactly how I want a little later. Now, I will take first, we are not going to BRS yet. Okay, we are not learning how to prepare BRS yet. First, I want to understand some basic things. I want you to understand some basic things. Okay. Now, let's say bank charges. Okay, here I'm taking the items which may come as an item of BRS. Okay, matlab those which only one would have recorded. Once more, here I'm taking those items which only one would have recorded. Okay, so this will be an item of reconciliation. Okay, now think and tell me, bank charges, who would have recorded? Bank, everybody? So can I say passbook would record? Okay. If the passbook records bank charges, in passbook, amount will increase or amount will decrease? Are you sure? Passbook balance will decrease? Okay, very good. INTREST. Chalo. Interest on investments collected by bank. Acha, first of all, what is my investment? What is an investment? Asset. Okay, somewhere where you have invested your money. On that money you will receive interest? Okay. Who will record this? Passbook, everybody? Okay. If the interest on investment is collected by bank, passbook will increase or passbook will decrease? Passbook will decrease. Are you all sure? Okay, very good. Super. Chalo, third one. Now, check deposited. First of all, what is a check deposited? What does a check deposit mean? Yes, my debtor has given me a check. I deposited with my banker. Okay. Not credited means who will not account for it? Or who will first account for it? Cash book. Can I say when I'm depositing the check into the bank, can I say bank will increase and debtor will decrease? Yeah. In my books, my bank, the cash book will maintain a bank account. No. In that bank account, bank will increase and the debtor will decrease. Now, will the passbook record immediately? Can I say after few days? So let's say that after few days is in the next accounting year. So can I say this is an item of reconciliation? Okay. Check deposited, not credited. Not credited means who did not credit? bank or passbook did not credit. Clear everybody? Okay, now think and tell me, who will record this? Very good. Cash book will record this. If the cash book records this, cash book will increase or decrease? Okay, super. Check issued. What is a check issued? Payment means I have to pay to my creditor. So I will give him a check. Okay, I will give him a check. This now, so the same circle, same circle. So me will give check to creditor. Creditor will go to creditor bank and deposit. Creditor will come to my bank. Okay, my bank will give away money and creditor's bank will increase. Clear everybody? Now, when I give the check to the creditor, can I say I pass the entry creditor's account debit to bank? Because bank will decrease, right? In my books, bank will decrease. Now, can I say not presented for payment means who is not presenting for payment? My creditor has not yet, the creditor's bank has not yet come to my bank and asked for the money. This is not presented for payment means the creditor's bank has not yet come to my bank and asked for the money. Am I clear? Who recorded? Cash book. Who did not record? Passbook. Very good. So, can I say who recorded? Cash book. If the cash book records this, then whether the cash book will increase or decrease? Very good. Decrease because I will pay. Direct deposit by third party. What does this mean? Okay. Now, can I say there was a debtor, he deposited money directly into my bank account? Direct deposit by third party. Clear? What does this mean? The third party directly recorded money into my bank account. Okay. Now, if the third party deposits money into my bank account, who will record it? Passbook. And if there is a deposit, passbook will increase or decrease? Decrease. Increase or decrease? Are you sure? Super. Payment of LIC on standing instructions. What does it mean? What does it mean? Very good. We have instructed the bank to pay our life insurance policy on our behalf. Okay. So who records it? Passbook will increase or decrease? Decrease? Very good. Now, wrong credit in cash book. What does this mean? Acha, first of all, cash book means our books. Debit means increase. And credit means decrease. Clear everybody? Credit means decrease. Debit means increase. Now, you have given a wrong credit in cash book. Okay? So, what will happen? Cash book will decrease. Correct? Who will record it? Cash book, and cash book will decrease. ठीक है? Wrong debit in passbook means what? Acha, first of all, in passbook, can I say it will be ulta, matlab it will be opposite as cash book? Now, in cash book, can I say now in cash book, can I say debit means increase and credit means decrease? So in passbook, can I say debit means decrease and credit means increase? Am I clear? Okay. So wrong debit in passbook means who will record this? Passbook. And passbook will increase or decrease? Decrease. Okay. Um, I'll give you one example for this. So my account number in bank was 400752 and there is Mr. X whose account number is 400572. Okay. Now Mr. X withdrew 7,000 rupees from his account. Okay, so Mr. X withdrew 7,000 rupees from his account. So can I say bank had to debit his account? So bank, like while typing, they made an error and instead of 572, they put 752. So can I say this is a wrong debit? So passbook has recorded it? समझ में आया? Any doubt? Should I give one more example? Gone. Did you understand? Should I give one more example? Understood. Okay. Huh? Understood. Okay. Subsidy received directly by bank. Subsidy means? Why will the government give me money? But everything is money only, ah? Why will government give me money? हाँ why? मुझे why? हाँ? What for what they'll give? Oh, I've already given that example. Factory in some village. I want to open a factory in a village, but sorry, government wants me to go there. I don't want to go there. You remember that? Ha. So there is so finally I opened the factory in that village. Okay. So government gave me subsidy. Now who will record this? Passbook because it is directly collected by passbook and generally it will be collected in decrease, correct? Increase, very good, because received, no, so passbook will increase. What is bill sent for collection? What is bill sent for collection? Bills receivable discounted with bank. Bill, can I say a bill receivable kept with bank so that on maturity I don't have to go to the party and collect. On my behalf, my bank will go and collect. Okay, now bills sent for collection, collected means money received. Who will record this? Passbook, and passbook will increase. Very good, super. Yes. Draft deposited into bank, not credited. So what is a draft first of all? No, it's not a bank overdraft. How can you deposit bank overdraft into bank? DD, demand draft, okay. Acha. Now draft is same, yeah, demand draft or check. Check is also called as draft sometimes, okay. So draft deposited into bank, not credited. Means who record this? Cash book. Cash book will increase, decrease? Increase because you have, yes, you have deposited, huh? Yeah. Draft deposited into bank is nothing but check deposited into bank. Like checks are also called as draft, and you can demand draft, you know, DD? No, DD? So that you have deposited into your bank and it will take some 2 to 3 days for it to account for it. So when I deposit into bank, first I record. Bank did not. Same thing, okay? Check issued recorded twice in cash book. Now see, when you deposit a check, can I say cash book will decrease? When you issue a check, whom will you issue the check to? Creditor. Creditor. So cash book will increase or decrease? When you issue, cash book will decrease. So I issued a check for 1 lakh, cash book decreased, passbook also decreased. But in cash book, you decreased twice. Okay, so can I say cash book decrease? Okay. Now this is a good one. Bill discounted, dishonored. Who will record? Passbook will increase or decrease? Increase or decrease? Decrease, everybody? Huh? Others? Huh? It will increase. Very good. Others? Huh? Okay, I'll give you one example. Okay, I'll give you one example. Okay, I'll give you one example. Dekho. I had a bill receivable for 5,200. I discounted with the bank and bank gave me 5,000. On the due date, bank went to the drawee and asked for the money. Drawee dishonored the bill. Okay. Now, on the due date, who will collect money from whom? Bank from the drawee, and drawee will collect from the, bank from the drawer, and drawer from the drawee. Correct? Now, so can I say bank will directly take money from my account? It won't wait. It won't wait. Correct? It will directly take money from my account. So who will record? Bank. Bank will record. Passbook. Passbook will increase or decrease? Decrease. Now think and tell me in this question, how much will the passbook decrease by? 5,000, 5,200? 5,000 or 5,200? Why 5,200? Yes, the bill value is 5,200. So on the due date when he's going to collect the money, he's not going to leave the discounting charges. He's going to take entire 5,200 because on the due date, bank was supposed to receive from the drawee 5,200 and not 5,000. Am I clear? Dividend collected by bank. Passbook will increases. ठीक है? So now you have got a understanding of who will record and how it will go. A little basic understanding. Okay. Now, एक minute, हाँ. Now, see, one thing you need to understand in BRS, very, very, very important. Okay. Now, when you do BRS, what are you comparing? Are you comparing the balances of cash book and passbook, or are you comparing the receipts and the payments? No, we always compare the balance. We don't compare the receipts and yeah, obviously we see whether this is come or not. But can I say the balances are not matching? That is why it is BRS? No, no, no. Let's take an example. You have a receipt, you minus the payment, you get the balance, correct? You have a receipt of 100 rupees and a payment of 60 rupees, so the balance will be 40. Let's say you overcast the receipt. Then what will happen to the balance? Can I say balance is also increasing? This means the receipt side and the balance has direct relationship. Means if you overcast the receipt, then the balance will also be overcasted. Am I clear? Okay. Let's say the receipt was fine. You overcasted the payment. Then what is happening to the balance? Decrease. So can I say they have an inverse relationship? Okay. So always remember, if they say payment side is overcasted, means balance will be undercasted. Am I clear? Receipt side is overcasted, means balance will be overcasted. Receipt side is undercasted, balance will be payment side is undercasted, balance will be overcasted. Always remember, we do not compare receipts and payments. We always compare the balances of passbook and cash book. Am I clear till here? Okay. Now, let's go and now understand how exactly to prepare BRS. So irritating. Kamya, nonsense. अरे what the okay, we have a huh. Now let's go and try to understand how to prepare BRS exactly. Okay. Now in the question they will give you either balance as per cash book or balance as per passbook. Okay. And then they will give you the items that are causing the differences in the balance. In the question they will give you the balance as per cash book or balance as per passbook. Either will be given. Okay. Then they will give you what are the items because of which the balance as per cash book and passbook is not matching. You have to adjust those transactions and then arrive at the balance as per the other one. Am I clear? This is how you prepare a BRS. Okay. Now these items only we will take and then we will understand whether you need to add them or you need to less them. Are you with me everybody? Now, okay, can you see me or can you see the screen? Only the screen, can you not see me simultaneously? Okay, so you have to concentrate, you have to look at me and try to understand, okay? Now, let's say we are starting as per cash book. Okay, we are starting as per cash book. Now, this balance of cash book that they have given is debit balance. Debit balance means favorable or unfavorable? Favorable balance, okay? Now, if you start with this, then what to do? Now, bank charges. Your first item of reconciliation is bank charges. Okay, now what will happen? If you, let's assume my right hand is balance as per cash book and the left hand is balance as per passbook. Please make no noise and try to understand. My right hand is balance as per cash book. My left hand is balance as per passbook. Can I say normally both of them should be same? Now, you have 14 items of reconciliation because of which these two are not same. Now, the first item is bank charges. Now, bank charges who has recorded? Passbook. Can I say passbook decrease? Can I say passbook decrease? Now, because of this, they are not matching. Now, either you bring this down or you take this up, then they will match. Either you bring this down or you take this up, they will match, correct? Now you should move that hand with whom you have started from. Whom have we started from? Can I say we have started as per cash book? So we should move cash book, that is the right hand. Okay, so you should bring it down, means you will less. Am I clear? Any doubt? Should I explain again? Others? No. Okay, very good. Now second one. Again they should be same. Interest on investment collected by bank. Who will record? Passbook will increase. Now changes as per cash book. So what you should do? Increase. So add. ठीक है? Next one. Check deposited, not credited. What will happen? Cash book will increase. Passbook, no change. Changes as per cash book. So what you should do? No, less. Yes. Clear everybody? Check issued, not presented for payment. What will happen? Cash book will decrease. Changes as per cash book. So you will add. ठीक है? Next, direct deposit by third party. Who will increase? Passbook increase. So here you will add. Once again, what is this add cash book you're saying? Nothing. Just add or minus. That's it. Okay? Add. Payment of LIC instructions. What will happen? Passbook will decrease. Cash book, no change. Changes as per cash book. So you should less. ठीक है? Wrong credit in cash book. So what will happen? If you give a cash book decrease, passbook no change. Changes as per cash book. So you should add. ठीक है? Are you understanding now how to do this? So whenever you have an item, you should understand first who has recorded. Then you should understand whether it will increase or decrease. And then accordingly you should change the hand from whom you have started. Am I clear? Okay, let's just finish all of these that are there. Wrong debit in passbook. Who will increase? What will happen? Passbook will decrease. Changes as per cash book, so you will minus. Less. Subsidy received directly from bank. So, okay, let's do one thing now. Now, subsidy received directly from bank. What will happen? Huh? Passbook will increase. Cash book did not increase. Changes as per cash book. So what you should do? Add. Bill sent for collection, collected. So what will happen? Passbook will increase. Cash book, no change. Changes as per cash book. So what should we do? Add. So both of them will become same. Draft deposited, not credited. Cash book increases. Decrease the cash book. Clear? Check issued recorded twice in cash book. If you issue a check, cash book recorded twice, passbook recorded only once. Checkbook, cash book recorded twice, passbook recorded only once. Changes as per cash book, so you should add once. Yes, add. Bill discounted, dishonored. So what will happen? Why should we add? Very good. Bank will take money from my account. Cash book, no change. Changes as per cash book. So what you should do? Less. Why? We will be receiving our money back का. बहुत मारेगा आदर्श. तो बैंक तो डिक्रीज हो गया ना. Dividend collected by bank. Cash book, passbook will increase. Cash book, no change. Changes as per cash book. So you should add. Clear? Increase. Any doubt till here? Okay. So this is how exactly we will be preparing bank reconciliation statement. Now, ma'am, what if we start with balance as per passbook? Then what you should do? You should change the passbook hand. No, not reverse. Let's not think it like that. You should change the passbook hand. Like, let me take one example. Bill sent for collection, collected. So can I say passbook will increase? Now we are as per passbook. So here you will minus. Okay, so you should change the passbook hand this time. Last time we were changing the cash book hand. So whomever you start from, that hand you should change. Am I clear? Okay. Now one student asked me, ma'am, you have taught us this. Okay, fine, very nice. But I have a doubt. I said, okay, tell me what is the doubt. So he said, ma'am, what if you start balance as per cash book, unfavorable balance? Because this is favorable, right? If you start with unfavorable, then what to do? I told do the same thing. How, ma'am? How? You start with balance as per cash book. Let's say cash book unfavorable. Let's take one example. Bank charges. Passbook decreased. Cash book no change. Changes as per cash book. You should minus. But when you write, you will add. So whatever is your ultimate answer, uska ulta. That's it. Am I clear? So the logic is still the same. Whomever you start from, that hand. Okay, give another example. Dividend collected by bank. What will happen? Passbook will increase. Now, whom have we started from? Can I say cash book? So I need to change this hand. So you need to add. But when you write, you will write less. Ulta. So when whatever the rule is the same, whichever hand you start from, that hand you should change. Only if it is unfavorable, then you should do ulta. That's it. You will get the correct answer. Am I clear? Okay. Now I will teach you something more. Okay. Now let's say you start from this and you arrive at this, then what is the answer? Okay. You started with cash book positive, means favorable balance. Correct? Yes. Then at the time of arriving at the answer, you will arrive at balance as per passbook. Correct? No? Yes. Hey, if you start with cash book, you should arrive at passbook tane. Where is everybody? Yes, no? Okay. Now, if this answer is positive, then this is favorable balance as per passbook. If this answer is negative, then this is unfavorable balance as per passbook. Am I clear? That is debit balance and this will be credit balance. Okay? Any doubt till here? Now, next, you started with cash book balance, that is negative, and that is unfavorable balance. While arriving, you arrived at passbook positive, then this is unfavorable, which is debit balance. If you start as unfavorable, you arrive at positive, then that is unfavorable. Am I clear? Yes. And if you arrive at negative, then this is favorable balance, which is credit balance. Okay, any doubt? This is balances. If you start with passbook positive, that is favorable balance, then you will either arrive at cash book positive or cash book negative. If it is cash book positive, then it is favorable balance, which will be your debit balance. And if you arrive at cash book negative balance, then it is unfavorable balance, which is your credit balance. Last one, you may start with passbook negative balance, that is unfavorable. You will arrive at either cash book positive or cash book negative. If it is cash book positive, then it is unfavorable balance, that is credit balance. And if it is passbook negative, then it is favorable balance, that is debit balance. Okay? Now, ma'am, why are you giving us all this? Because when you start with the question, that time, okay, I'll teach you this when we do the question answers. Okay, for now, just understand this much. Now, are you through? Any doubt? Any doubt till here? Now, we will start. Yeah, there is one more part pending in BRS that I will do a little later. Abhi tum log ko samajh nahi aayega. ठीक है? So, we'll start writing. Your next chapter heading is bank reconciliation statement. Your next chapter heading is bank reconciliation statement. Please write the page number and put it in the index also. Put it in the index also. Now, come back. You start writing in your Feb first point. First point. Bank maintains its business maintains its bank transactions in Bank column of cash book. In bank column of cash book. Bank maintains business account in bank in a book called passbook. What? Bank maintains business account in bank. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll write. It's more easier. You'll copy as it is. Okay, so there's a question, ma'am. Rectification chapter is based on errors made by clerk. So if chartered accountants only are making errors, then what will happen? You think and tell me what will happen? क्या करेगा? Okay. See, what? No, there's definitely, yeah. A chartered accountant can do mistakes. It's not like he won't. There are possibilities. Now, see what will happen. You will make a mistake, and based on that, you will file a return, correct? So, going ahead in the future, you will identify the mistake. So, you will revise your return. ठीक है, manage. Sub, if there's a provision for everything, don't worry. And, huh, that can we just stick to accounts? There's audit and law. When your teacher comes, you should ask them. हमको सिर्फ accounting आता है, ठीक है? Yeah, we'll stick to what we are learning. That's it, okay? And you have finals and inter still to go ahead. Okay? चलो, is everybody done? सिद्धार्थ हो गया? Oh, you said yes. I thought you said no. Okay, I'm going ahead then. After you're done this, I want you to leave one side of the page. Okay? One side. I want you to leave one side. And then in the next side, you'll start writing. Okay. Now, in the next, you'll leave one side, correct? And the next page, you'll start writing understanding BRS. Point number 5. So 4 we will write on that one side little later. Point number 5, understanding BRS. Okay, in that point number A. Point number A. BRS. Okay, so you'll write A, balance ka funda. And then, now listen to me carefully, everybody. First, you'll write balance ka funda and then you'll copy this as it is. After that, I will turn to this page. And then you will write B, preparation of BRS. Did you understand what you have to do? Did you understand? Okay. Once you're done with this, you will tell me so that I shift the page. Ma'am, can I rejoin in a new phone, another phone? Yeah. Yes, you can do Yes, obviously you have to write this balance as per cash book debit favorable. Then in BRS, what you'll do, add or less. So exactly as this is, you will write. चलो now you'll write point number C. Okay, everybody is done. Now let's go to questions. Chalo, open your textbook. BRS, everybody. Now can you see you have space to write there only? Yeah, so I prefer that you write answers in the textbook itself, not necessary to write the answers in the notebook. Okay, so how to present in exam, all that I will teach you. We have a lot more questions, so all that I will teach you with other questions, so you can write directly here. Okay, now bank reconciliation statement. So they have given balance as per cash book, they have given adjustments. Can I say you have to arrive at balance as per passbook? So right now I will write here what you're supposed to write in the box. That empty column is there, no? There, what you're supposed to write, okay? So balance as per cash book. So you will write cash book debit 2,40,000 is given, correct? Now, checks issued but not presented in bank amounts to 1,36,000. So what will happen? Check issued. Who? No, check issued. What will happen? Cash book decreases. See, if you don't participate in easy questions, don't expect yourself to understand difficult ones. Okay? If you issue check, what will happen? Cash book decrease. Passbook, no change. Changes as per cash book. So you should add. So you will write plus 1,36,000. You'll write not plus, you should never write plus. This is not mathematics. So you write add 136. ठीक है? Next one. Check deposited, not yet cleared, 90,000. If you deposit a check, what will happen? Cash book will increase. Passbook, no change. Changes as per cash book. So what you should do? Less 90,000. Okay. Next one. Bank charges amounting to 300. Who? Bank charges. Who will record? Bank. Bank will decrease. Cash book, no change. Changes as per cash book. So what you should do? Increase. Less. Next one. Interest credited by bank amounts to 1250. Interest credited by bank means bank has given us interest. Bank has given us interest. So what will happen? Passbook will increase. Cash book, no change. Changes as per cash book. So what you should do? Add. So what do you arrive at? Two lakh 27,000. No. 286,950. Now, is this answer negative or positive? Positive. Now you remember here, you started with cash book positive. You arrived at passbook positive. Means it is a favorable balance. So you write balance as per passbook favorable. That is credit balance. ठीक है? Any doubt? Huh? Sorry, I didn't understand what? Yeah, that is the final answer, that passbook is a favorable balance. That is what we should answer. ठीक है? चलो. Question number 2. Balance as per cash book is given. Now, is this debit balance, credit balance? Favorable, unfavorable? Question remaining silent, it will always be favorable. Am I clear? Now, you should arrive at balance as per passbook. Okay? Now, she has issued checks amounting to 80,000, out of which only 32,000 were presented for payment. Means what? You issued check. So who will record? Cash book will record. So can I say cash book decreased by 80,000? Now out of which how much were presented for payment? Means how much money went out from bank? So can I say bank decreased only by 32? So there is a difference of how much? 48,000. So what should you do? Change the cash book or passbook? Add in cash book 48,000. Once more, cash book and passbook were equal. Cash book decreased by 80,000. Passbook decreased only by 32. Okay, so changes as per cash book. So you should add the balance 48. Yes? No? Okay. She received check of 5,000 which she recorded in cash book but forgot to deposit into the bank account. Means what? You received a check. You wrote in your cash book but you forgot to put it in your bank account. So what will happen? Cash book will increase because you received a check. Did the passbook increase? No. Changes as per cash book. So you should less 5,000. Next one. Hey, how many of you are absolutely not following anything that we are studying? Okay, good. Check of 22,000 deposited by her has not been cleared. Means check deposited not cleared. So what will happen? If you deposit a check, cash book increase. Did the passbook increase? No. Changes as per cash book. So you should changes as per cash book, right? So you should less. Yes. Next one. Mr. Gupta deposited an amount of 15,700 in her bank which has not yet been recorded by her in cash book. So what will happen? What will happen? Cash book will increase or passbook will increase? Passbook will increase because direct deposit by third party. Cash book, no change. Changes as per cash book. So you will add. Next one. Bank has credited an interest of 1,500 while charging 250 as bank charges. So there are two. We will do one by one. Bank has credited interest means bank has given interest, taken interest. Given. So what will happen? Passbook increase. Cash book no change. Changes as per cash book. So we will add 1,500. Then charged 250 as bank charges means what will happen? Passbook will decrease. Cash book no change. Changes as per cash book. So you should minus less 250. Clear? So कितना आता है आंसर? 1 lakh. Positive or negative? Positive answer? Yeah, I think it should be 48,000 add. Positive, right? So this is balance as per passbook favorable. Am I clear? Huh? Yes, ma'am. Okay. Chalo, question number 3. Balance as per cash book is given unfavorable. So what should we do? Credit balance. Okay. Interest on overdraft for 6 months ending 31st December 160 is entered in passbook. Now interest on overdraft, will it give us or take from us? Interest on overdraft. So can I say they will take from us? So who will increase or decrease? Very good. Passbook will decrease. Changes as per cash book. So can I say you should also decrease less? But when we write, we will add. Because this is unfavorable. Clear? Bank charges of 400 are debited in passbook only. Means bank charges means what will happen? decrease in passbook. Cash book will also decrease, but you should add. ठीक है? Check issued but not cashed prior to 31st December amounted to 11,68,000. So what should we do? Check issued. Can I say cash book will decrease? Passbook, no change. Changes as per? No, it's cash book. So you should add. Correct? But when we write, we will write less. 11 lakhs. Next one. Checks paid into bank but not cleared before 31st December were 22,17,000. Check deposit means cash book increase, passbook no change, changes as per cash book. So you should minus, but you will add. 22,17,000. Last one, interest on investment collected by bank and credited in passbook. Interest on investment means passbook will increase, cash book increase, add, correct? But you should minus. चलो कितना आता है? 144. Can I say you're getting a minus answer? Now see here. Can I say we started with cash book negative? So I'm here. And I arrived at passbook negative. So then my balance is favorable. Clear everybody? Any doubt till here? Fourth one. Checks paid into bank but not cleared. Checks paid means which checks will you pay into your bank? The checks that you receive. Check received matlab check received and deposited. So when you receive a check, cash book will increase. Okay? Passbook did not increase. Changes as per cash book. So you should minus. But when we write, we will add. ठीक है? Any doubt? Anybody else? No? Okay. Chalo. That's all for the day.